2 videos in 1 week. I don't even know who I am, but we're going with it. I thought I would do just a quick 10-minute makeup video today. I know they don't make this anymore, but I really like this as a base. It's the Becca Light Shifter Dewy Tint. So this type of makeup will be just like my everyday makeup. Not that I wear makeup every day, but you know, if you have like a few things to do, a few meetings, a few errands to run, it'll probably be a good office makeup too. If I worked in an office, I would probably most likely wear this makeup every day. This does take me about 10 minutes. Sometimes 5. I can bang it out in 5 if I'm in a real hurry. And I'm gonna go with my NARS foundation. What is it? The Winkies? I just did my dermaplaning last night, which is like the little razor thing, and you basically shave your face. It's rid of all the little peach fuzz. And I always hate doing my makeup afterwards. I know some people love it. I just find that my makeup doesn't stick to my face the same as it would without. So I'm hoping that this makeup will turn out okay. I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones. I mean, you know me, I will never not contour my cheekbones. This is the Nude Sticks one, the Bondi Bell, I think it's called. Yeah. Before I conceal, I'm going to quickly add my blush. This is the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Hope. I have a few different blushes that I go between, but I like this one for my softer makeup looks. It's just a little bit more natural. Then I'm going to conceal with my Dior Backstage Concealer. Gonna brighten under the eyes. Just gonna add a little extra bit around the chin, just from any pigmentation. There are base products down. Now we're gonna set. I'm gonna take the Easy Bake Huda Beauty powder. I'm gonna set. When I was doing my dermaplaning yesterday, I noticed that there was a little, I don't know if you can see it there, like a little raised bump. It's not a spot. It doesn't feel like anything, like I can't, it's not sore or anything. It's just this raised bump on my lip. And I don't think it's a milia because it seems too big, but I don't know how big milia can get. I'm gonna do the same thing for my brows using the brow powder from Benefit. I don't even think that they make this one anymore. This is the foolproof one. And then I'm going to finish it with a little bit of brow setter. Since I started using this powder, it has been the quickest ever doing my brows. Okay, for my eyes, a few different things that I would usually do. Either I would add some bronzer, like into my crease or across my lid, and just add some mascara, or I would just wear mascara by itself. I would sometimes do just a little corner wing with a pencil, which I think I'll do that one today. It's very easy to do, and I'll show you how I do my one. So I just take a pencil liner. This one is the Hourglass one. It's the shade Cave. It's a dark brown one. All I do is just drag it out from the corner like that, and then I just drag it back in. Just drag it back into the lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect, but once you have the shape down, then I just get a little brush, kind of just soften the lines. You can also just use your finger and just drag it in. That's what I do sometimes. And just for an extra bit of like staying power, I'll just grab a little bit of the powder, just a little bit, and just kind of press that over. That will just help the liner stay in place for the day. And now I'm just going to go in with a coat of mascara. I'm going to take a little bit of my bronzing powder from Guerlain. So that's like pretty much the look. You can add any lip that you want with this. I typically go with my good old trusty nudes, and today will be no different. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever whatever walnut pencil. I've been using it a lot lately and I love it, so that's where we're going today. I just love nude lip liners that aren't overly warm, because I find a lot are, and that's why I love the Muted Mauve by Anastasia Beverly Hills. but this one's just perfect. Like, it's just the perfect neutral. I mean, look how good that colour is. This is just going to be the same lip that I did in the last video, but I really like it. This is the Chanel liquid lipstick, but I love this colour. It is the perfect nude. I'm just adding a little bit of gloss to the centre. Anyway, I think that is it. Anyway, I hope you have a nice weekend, or had, because I think this will be Sunday. Thanks for watching. Love you.